Davido don lost in spiritual glasses made by 4 point something million. Why I call am spiritual glasses? Because na only glasses wey if you wear you go dey see vision, see double. Now you go buy that kind money. I know say na im money o, na im work am. For that kind money for glasses, that glasses must dey see vision. That glasses must be able to see the problem of Nigeria and the solution. He must be able to see the future of Nigeria. 4 point something million glasses, dollars, abi naira. Now, yawa don gas, dey cry say no see glasses, so they don thief am o. Glasses, visionary glasses. Glasses wey na be some people bank account statement, everything. Na be their business. Even their business no reach that glasses. Glasses don lost. Abeg, we dey look for our glasses, so make everybody check under a bed, all in cloth, in case una see glasses wey resemble this one. Make una send am come o, abeg. We dey look for our songwriter and publisher, handsome bobo Davido. We are looking for his glasses, and these glasses must come outside. Before we go continue this one, I make I no wan sing song again, because me personally I dey enjoy Davido music, honestly. My people, Chioma husband Davido now don cry out to say glasses may buy 4 point something million don lost, and if he no see that glass, say the thing go pain and say he go cry. Everybody come dey send their comments to Davido. Nigerians react like one comment say, abeg, how that dey be the problem wey we dey face na? Abeg, pack one side, we get problem, leave all this leave all these glasses. Who send you to go buy who send you to go buy glasses? Make I put Jara join. Who send Davido to go buy glasses? 4 point how many million? Make God dey say you go cry if you no see the glasses. So make una see glasses. Like buy una dey see you see glasses based somebody buy that kind of money. Say the glass is made of diamond and silver and gold put together. Only the glass na waka come. Only be diamond, only be silver, only be gold. And then they laugh my brother Davido because he lost this thing. No? Now the comments make I read under this post. Now they laugh. Somebody say, 5 point something million you dey cry. Now what for you? No be you be the same person make you get 30 billion for your account. Wetin be 5? So I beg. The person can say, am I dreaming, or this is not the real Davido? Is this the audio Davido? Make I put my own Jara. Is this the audio Davido? 5 point something million, I be 4 point something million. Now they cry. Another comment say, you make your papa rich. Your papa rich. You say your papa now he buy Ferrari, he buy private jet. Not how much before? I beg. Talk another thing. Or if you don't broke, let us know. This one I me join this one. And this one no dey for the comments. Davido, I beg. Nigerians want attack Davido. Another person say 4 point something million take buy glass, he lost. You seen they come, they talk am. You no even shame. Are you trying to mock us? I don't put Jara. Oh no, call Davido, come. Make I leave all these comments. Make I talk to you by myself. Me and you. Now only me and you waka come. See, forget all those comments. All those comments are right. When I read the comment, I laugh, I laugh, but let sweet me. Like, come. Wetin concern us now? The problem we dey face for Nigeria be that say your glasses, if you lost, you go cry now if you wan cry. All the tears may they cause all this your baby mama, may you carry while them without condom, can't give them pikin. You think say that they happy? Now cry they cry because it don't spoil their life. Because nowadays people need they marry, they never marry single lady finish may no get pikin. Normal lady, now the one may can't get pikin joiner. No man ready to carry somebody else's responsibility. All those ladies, they cry, they regret them to say they don't know say no go be like this, they for use protection. Now glasses, now they cry, say, how it be our problem now? You are a big guy, go buy another one. Go buy another one. As you say, only you they keep more than how many friends. If you see the video, don't see how many friends around them. You think all those your friends may around you na best friends, na good. They just dey there because they want steal, or because you they spend money for them, or because they plan you. Friends nowadays no genuine one. No. Before you go see genuine friend, you go waka tire. The one maybe say you go, I don't see friend. No, this one final bus stop. I don't stop. I don't get friend, one and only. Man, no one and only friend again. No one and only friend. That friend will disappoint you immediately. Now that I go know say you don't get friend. So all those people I just suspect say now one of him friend don't carry that glasses based on say they know the worth of the glasses. They go carry and go sell them. But come to think of it, why somebody go to buy glasses worth that kind of money? Now you work your money, my brother. Now you work your money. I know follow you work and now you know how to take spender. But I think say that kind of 4 points, I be 5 points something to buy glasses. You for use and go dump am for your pikin for accounts if e grow, or I don't know, or if you just use charity, if you give charity organization, or go give them the money. Just do things like even if na primary health care, 2-room primary health care, or I no understand I want to talk normal primary health care na maybe like 6 rooms they just dey give, I think say the money go even remain. Why be say now we just care about fashion, we care about worldly things? Pastors they call am worldly things, but now then keep all the worldly things pass. Me man never get food chop, I never get wrapper tie. Pastor go say worldly things, vanity upon vanity, but pastors get original ogbonge vanity, maybe private jet. Their own is okay, but if members get an vanity. Any matter I must talk for this my platform, I go relate am to pastor. I no know wetin you and pastor get, more than forgive me. Davido, one name, okay, biko. No wahala. For the fact say you don marry our sister, or you wan marry our sister na good luck, na favour. Even if the glasses lost, no be your life loss. As the glasses just dey lost, God go bring you another way for you, gboza, make you go hammer times 10 of that glasses. One door close, another one open. Though na your carelessness na make am lost, because person may get that kind of money, buy that kind of thing, suppose value am. Maybe na because you get plenty money. After all, if you look for am, you know say you go buy another one. Because if na your last hope, first you no carry that kind of money buy glasses when people dey hungry. Secondly, you go keep am tight even if you buy am. I know say na you work your money o, na you go decide I want to spend am. Nigeria people go say abeg you, na you work your money, if you like make throw away am, e no concern you. E no concern me truly o. E no concern me, just I dey feel pity for the poor Nigerians. And among those poor Nigerians, most of them are Davido fans. Make dem like Davido, they fit die for im music, they fit die for am. But wetin dey do for im fans? How e take dey help or support im fans? No be 1,000, 2,000, 100. No be that one, no dey enough. If you fit give them 100,000 and 2,000, you try. God bless you. Over pastors no dey do, government no dey do. No be na responsibility. But if you wan get better blessing, no be say eye service blessing. No say the one may Williams or Chamber dey do. I don't know that call the name well. You know, see that Williams guy as he just dey do him. No be say e no dey chop or no be say e be completely pure, but you know, see the guys dey do him own charity. Pen. You know say na original charity be that. So my brother, this your money. I think say thank God say you no be church type, may they give pastor your money and offering, first seed, second seed, last seed, middle seed. Thank God say you be different person. Meaning you just believe on yourself, pray, go to your work. Please, it go dey very good say this kind of matter no be matter may supposed to come social media, because na very shameful matter be dey make people dey vex. Na hungry dey for system, everybody dey hungry, boys eye dey chook, everywhere dey red, everywhere dey hot. You can't say your glasses worth 400 and something million just lost. If you don't see her, I go cry now. Who you may no cry? You know the hunger may don't make people they cry for that country. Oh, your own are just glasses. You they cry. No be say you no get money to go buy second one. if you get money now, go will comot another 400 and something million. I been na 4 point something million. Go comot another one, make you still buy glass. As na glass now you come wear for this life. I beg, I no like this kind thing. I stop for this place. I know the jealousy, oh. I know jealousy in success, oh. I know they're against am either. Oh. I like am, say God bless her. I'm happy for her. But as a glass, time ain't take come outside, come they say glass is lost, they go cry. If for the final, all those in France, if for they check them, check their body, whether they don't carry the glasses. You understand? No become social media. Been at you just dey find make people comment or make people talk. Because anything may happen for celebrities' life. If they no carry am come social media, it go be like say nothing don happen. And if we will come carry the matter and come dey talk, they will say, why they talk? Because now this person talk am. If that second actress talk, you know attack. Now this one, now no we. Mo dey deliver news for una. We no know how I wan talk am to please una. We talk here, una go say, if I talk am here, oh, we talk am there. I say, if I talk am that side, oh, Naija. I fear una, fear una. Complicated people. I will just be for that country. Anyway, my brother Davido, I wish you success. God will bless you. God will give you more children, boys as you wish. Bless your new as you want. Marry our sister. God will bless you. Give you money yafu. May you marry our sister. As you marry her, may you stay one side. No, they do pion. That your thing between your leg. Now for only children, no carry go. They do wash night service for outside. Can't go carry some leke disease there outside. So my brother, just wearing wire. Wire. Make you go has the meaning of wearing wire for your mother hand. So my people, make I stop for this place. Like I said, no guys today consign me, but I just put am for ground because the matter is laughable. It's really, really laughable. Me, person like me, no go come outside, come say, hey, also. I go look for and use that and look for and where we search people. All my friends, they are suspects. Carry them go police station. I no mind because na big something. And I make it still good. Make somebody keep less friends. Because if they say get less friends now, you go know how manage or you go dey suspect. Now who you want suspect, but you get more than 20 people they follow you up and down. Like say you be the governor of a state or president of a country. Maybe they carry escort, everything they follow you. Wow. Now so the video just be people they pack follow this young guy. Friends, unnecessary people may not even like him. Go they follow him. You go to say they like and I make they follow him. They just they wish am bad. They pray say why not be them. Everybody, people wicked nowadays. So God, thank God say na just your something make you feel afford, make you buy money. You know, since there's life, there's hope. What if now they can't take your life, can't kill you because of your carelessness? Because if you feel they careless with something worth 4 point something million, let me say you can careless with your life too. You go just drink, forget yourself, or drink with people may you know, or just live careless life. Then you die. God forbid, Batty. Hey, we miss Davido. I was once a good singer. God forbid, no go be your portion. My brother, no go be your portion. We no go miss you. You no go die premature. They go see your children. You go sing many songs for us. So please, just choose your friends and choose them wisely and limit your friends so that you go know when your problem start. When you get plenty friends, you no go know say problem don even start. You go just dey swim inside problem. You no even know identify the problem because you are confused or because you are not living. You are living for your friends. You just dey do everything to make people happy. So we got to limit some kind things so that we can, be happy with ourselves. Because you self, make you get your life. You need to be happy with your life. Not be say every time you want place people, you want carry these people go party, you want do them this, you want drop them, you want do this, you want give them lift for car, you just care about people, you don't care about yourself. So make I stop here. I don't even take this topic to another dimension. I don't drag and go another level. I no suppose. I think say na short video to end, but now I don't come. The video don't grow be. Anyway, na word of advice I give everybody generally. no be by age na they take the sabi, na by mentality, how you take sabi reach your you know your stage of reasoning. No be say I be 100 years I can't get sense pass somebody maybe 20 years. No, 10 years old sef fit get sense pass me might be 100 years. So it's like that. Now just how you take how you take sabi, no be by certificates, na by sabificates. So make I stop for this young. Now all let me waka go. Una, thank you very much. One love.